It is a 1998 Honda Shadow 1108. Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Afternoon, guys. It's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. I'm about to go pick up another motorcycle. Why? Because this one's too good to pick up. So I'm going to go put my trailer onto my truck, and we'll head on our way. So let's go, and I'll tell you all about it. Tires. And trailers. Gotta get that piece. My little adapter. Let's go. So what am I getting? I saw an ad on one of these social media sites for a one family owner motorcycle. The pictures were in amazing shape. It is a 1998 Honda Shadow 1100 Ace with a ton of modifications, low miles. He put it away 3 years ago, he says. And the bike was running great then. He said he started it up 3 years afterwards that would be in storage, and as a typical Honda, it ran fantastic. So he offered a great price, and I'm gonna go pick it up. I'll get a look around the bike and I'll bring it home. I don't know if I'll test drive it. I did buy a new battery. He said I need a new battery, so I bought a new battery. And we'll test drive it when we get home. Hopefully it's as good as the pictures show. All right, I'm here to go pick up the bike. Let's go check it out, see what it looks like, and hopefully load it up on the trailer. Excited, let's go. Shadow. When did you buy it, you said? You've had it a few years, right?
It was new in '98.
You bought it new?
My dad bought
Oh, wow,
it.
okay.
And gifted it to me.
Oh, that's so cool.
After high school.
And you got, so that's aftermarket seat, yep. Air horns, lights.
Basically everything.
Everything.
All the chrome add-ons.
All right.
The light bars, the lights, everything.
All right, cool. All right, well, yeah, let me get my shaft drive, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about a chain. But yeah, it should polish up pretty good. Do you know how old the tires are? They look decent, but
Trying to remember when I changed it. Cannot remember when I bought that.
okay. I better see if I can get that. Yeah, I know it's one of these weird batteries that has that little, like you said, that little Y that comes down. Okay. I think there's a Honda store kind of close too. Maybe I'll get Laurel, get a battery there. Okay. All right, got it loaded up on the Shadow 1100 Ace with every single mod you can think of back from 1998 to now. Got the bike off the trailer, pretty easy. That's my setup. There's the bike. We'll go for a test ride soon enough. I gotta get the battery. I have a new battery for it. I'm gonna get the oil changed. You can see there's a lot of pitting and a lot of chrome work that needs help with this one. A lot of garage rust. Not rust, but a lot of wear and tear from the garage. Got 4 in the front. 2 in the back, 1 more coming. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Let me know what you want to see. Please like and subscribe, and enjoy your shadow.